In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the EPP code from GoDaddy. If you need to transfer your domain to another registrar, one of the most important things you'll need is your EPP code, which is also sometimes called the authorization code. This code works like a security key for your domain, and it helps confirm that you're the authorized owner before the transfer can begin. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find it inside your GoDaddy account. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're logging into the correct account where your domain is currently registered. Once you're inside, look for your profile section. This is usually located near the top area of the account dashboard. Click on your profile to open the account options. From there, select My Products. This section shows the services and domains connected to your GoDaddy account. Once the page loads, find the domain you want to work with and click on Domain. This will open the management area for that specific domain. Next, go to the DNS section. This area contains settings related to your domain, and from here you can continue into the transfer options. Take your time and make sure you're on the correct domain before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. After that, click on Transfer. You should then see an option labeled Transfer to another registrar. Select that option to continue. This is the area GoDaddy uses for domain transfer preparation, and it's where the authorization details are displayed. Once you reach that section, your EPP code will appear after the authorization code label. In many cases, EPP code and authorization code refer to the same thing, so don't be confused if the wording looks slightly different. What you need is the code shown there, and that's the code you'll use when transferring your domain to a different registrar. A helpful tip here is to copy the code carefully and store it somewhere safe while you complete the transfer process. Since this code is sensitive, avoid sharing it publicly or sending it in unsecured messages. Also, if the code doesn't appear right away, refresh the page, or double-check that you selected the transfer option for moving the domain to another registrar. That's it. Once you have the code, you're ready for the next step in your domain transfer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.